Good afternoon. This My name is Blaze Fiddler, and today I will be going over my project, which explores the Nashville housing dataset to identify trends in property value and help support decision making for city planners, investors, or real estate professionals. The central question I aimed to answer was what factors most influence property sales price and how can we use those factors to make better investment and development decisions. Before building my visualization, I prepped the dataset in Unit 4 by removing blank and irrelevant rows, filling missing values in the fields like years built and bedrooms using median and mode, creating a calculated field, price per acre equals total value plus acreage, applying filters for sales price and tax district. This cleanup improved accuracy and helped me focus the visualizations on the most meaningful insights. The price per acre field in particular added valuable context to one of my bar charts in this unit. First visualization is a bar chart, average sales price by land use. This bar chart compares average sales price across land use categories. Some of the key takeaways: properties classified as church or vacant rural land had notably higher average sales prices. Decision insight. Zoning factor heavily into pricing strategies. This scatter plot explores whether large lots lead to higher sales price. The trend line shows a positive correlation, but some outliers suggest larger acreage doesn't always mean higher values. It should help investors weigh land size versus return. This visualization reveals the spread of sales price across the years built. Newer properties post 1980 tend to have more consistent and higher sales price, while older homes show more variability. Age of a home impacts both price stability and resales expectations. This chart uses my calculated price per acre field from Unit 4 normalized value. Three-bedroom properties had highest land value per acre. Bedroom count may indicate optimal property size for balancing land value and livability. This time-based visual tracks average sales prices across years. There's an upward trend of sales price over time though with dips that may relate to older property clusters. Construction years is a key metric for tracking long-term market shifts. One of the challenges I faced while developing these visualizations was trying to bin years built into decade groups using a case expression. Despite multiple attempts, Cognos returned syntax errors, so I kept the original field. I also had to fine tune a scatter plot and to enable the trend line and avoid misleading visual noise from outliers. I experimented with the assistant tool, asked questions like which land type use had the highest sales price, which tax district had the most expensive properties, and the assistant helped surface quick insights, but its visuals lacked true customization I needed. While helpful for inspiration, I found the manual process more accurate and fine-tuned storytelling. Across all five visuals, I found land use, property age, and acreage are consistently strong indicators of value. The price per acre metric added fairness when comparing different lot sizes. Properties built in recent decades hold more consistent value. These insights support smaller development and investment decisions in Nashville's housing market. One of the best practice used. One of the best practices I applied was using the right chart type for the data type. Box plots for viability, line charts for time-based trends, bar charts for categorical comparison, and color aggregation for clarity. Thank you so much for your time and for joining me.